Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing a game again with my friend, and I have with me this wonderful little tree. And I will not be announcing the name of this game until he joins. Which one? No. It'll be a while before he's joined, so it'll be a while before I announce what the game is. Yes. So, anyways, I'll give you a hint on what the name of the game is. It has to do with ragdolls and shotguns. And if you haven't already guessed your name, well, you'll just have to wait. That's nice. Wait! Shut up. I'm still the king. Good. How did I fall back? Okay, so he's joining now. And so here's the name of the game. Ragdoll Shotgun. Wow. It's a game where there are different game modes and you're basically just trying to knock people off the map, unless it's but that's only in team deathmatch mode. Right now we're in King of the Hill mode, where you're trying to have the most amount of seconds in the hill. So far, I have the most amount of seconds. Whoa! Am I still the king? Yes, I'm still the king. Bang! Yes. Also, something in here, you can jump in midair. If you haven't already jumped to get in midair. Dang, I keep falling off. Get away! I will be there. Ah! I'm silver again. Dang it. Okay. So I'm still silver, but I'm trying to get to king again. Gold. Whoa! Ah! What happened?
Where are you?
I am back at the map.
What?
This has happened a couple of times. Hey, look! I'm going to fall right in. Towards the cannon! Whoa. Look up.
Are you up there?
Yeah, I'm up here. Help.
Where? I don't see you. Oh, there you are.
Help.
How do I help you?
There's no way to help. No! Blech. Looking up is actually... What is it? Map loading. Delivery.
What should I vote for? You tell me.
I'd go for ice sheets. That's what I would do. Okay. Yeah. I didn't make it to the game. This is going to be strange. First off, let's try and get some. I guess this season. Yes. 1 kill. 1 kill. Yes. Well, in this certain game mode, you're trying to get the most amount of KOs as possible. In other words, knocking people off. Bang, bang, bang. Get off. I wonder how many people I have. Ah! Fell. I died. Bang. You will be destroyed, guest. Dang it, I fell again. I don't think that's unbelievable. I mean, you're still back. 4? Already? That's a lot. So much. Bang bangs. I just flew like a sideways frisbee through the air. Bang. Go get knocked out. Get knocked off. It's like the easiest place to get people are on the bridge and stuff like that. Boy, that guy has 11 KOs already. Whoa! Boinging, boinging, shoot. Bang, bang. Let's see how many people I have. DOS. 4 KOs. Pow. Oi! Oi! Let me get some more pows in there. Let me get some pows in there. See, look, here's some pow. Get knocked off. And the more pow. Pow, pow. Lel. Muches wins. Bang, bang. Ha! I knocked someone off. 8 KOs. Wonderful. Now I just need to get past the 6. I am bronze. Yeah, I got the bronze pedestal. Watch me as I flop around. Bang, bang. Aw, I didn't get a basic crate. Sad. Delivery at night. Yes. I'm gonna go to the canyon with it. I don't know. Now, let's get in the cannon. Fire, cannon. Yeah. I barely made it past the castle gate. I mean, whoa. Let's bounce and see if I can hit any of those. I mean, like the entire game you're around there. Yes. Let me hit yes, I hit the target. I don't care where. Come on. Delivery at night, King of the Hill, dogs. Quickness. Quickness. Yas. I am king now. I will make it! I must be what? Craving goodies. Craving goodies. I am silver now. I hope this ends soon. Come on, we knocked off everybody. Get out of my way. I want to be the king. Okay? Let me be the king. Let me be the king. I'm the king. Who's coming? Oh! Woo! I have a whole minute on the hill zones. I got 1 whole minute on the hill zones. Instead of these things carrying cargo, they're carrying hill zones. Bang! No! If you're silver, then I'm winning. Very much. I am about to be passed. No one must get past me. No! It's just like, bloom. Get off! Whee! I died. Yes. Good. Bang bang. Bang bangs! Too late. I killed 2 people. Yes. This game is so fun. Isn't it? Bang, bang, bang. No, I must stay on! I stayed on for so long. After I was like, I was almost entirely knocked off twice. Bang. Whoa! Hey, I got money for it. Ah! No, 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 no. I must stay the king. Get off! Get off! Get off! Yes! No, get off! No! I was so close to being king.
That's super sad.
I got silver again. Yay! I got a basic crate. Let's go look at my basic crate. It's a freaking crate. What is it? Is it the pay to win? Let's look. Yes, I got the pay to win. I have a pay to win. That truly is a gun that you pay. I don't know why I use this. Incinerator plant. Like, pay to win. Hey, do you want to get blasted with money? Never mind. Well, guys, that's going to be like the end of the video. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, and I just shot myself off the map with money. Anyways, this is the end of the video, so I hope you liked and please like.